Hey, it's Krista with WTI. If you're looking for an affordable way to make all your home textiles look new again, look no further. This Hoover Power Dash Advanced carpet cleaning machine is your ultimate solution for keeping your home and vehicle spotless and fresh. This little machine is compact, lightweight, and so ergonomic. The simple design with just a few intuitive buttons and levers makes it incredibly easy to use. The water tanks are just the right size, making refilling and emptying the dirty water a breeze. One of my favorite features about this cleaner is how quickly everything dries after using it. With each pass, it extracts a significant amount of water, which means that all of the carpets and upholstery dry really fast. But what I love the most about this carpet cleaner is how versatile it is. I've used it on area rugs, sofa, car upholstery, and more. The suction and brush system are so powerful that I can literally see the dirt and stains lifting right before my eyes. I highly recommend this Hoover Power Dash Advanced carpet cleaning machine. It's completely transformed the way I clean my home, and I'm sure it can do the same wonderful work for you. And that's my point of view.